Welcome to our mini washing machine showdown. Today, we will be comparing two innovative portable washing machines, the Elevon QD Mini P WMG Y1G and the SRVVTO portable small washing machine. Both are designed for compact living, but they have unique features that cater to different needs. Let's dive into their specifications and see which one might be the best fit for you. When it comes to capacity, the Elevon QD Mini P WMG Y1G can handle up to 5.5 pounds of laundry, making it suitable for small loads. In contrast, the SRVVTO portable small washing machine has a capacity of 13 liters, which allows it to accommodate more items at once, making it ideal for baby clothes and small laundry needs. If you frequently wash larger loads, the SRVVTO might be the better option. The Elevon features a compact, traditional design that is easy to use with its rotary timer control. On the other hand, the SRVVTO stands out with its foldable design, making it incredibly portable and easy to store when not in use. This feature is particularly useful for those who travel frequently or have limited storage space. Both machines offer user-friendly features, but they cater to different preferences. The Elevon is straightforward with its rotary timer, allowing for easy operation. Meanwhile, the Strvto's foldable design and built-in spin dryer basket provide added convenience, especially for those who need a quick wash while on the go. Depending on your lifestyle, one may be more suitable than the other. In conclusion, both the Elevon QD Mini P WMG Y1G and the SRVVTO portable small washing machine offer great solutions for compact living. The Elevon is perfect for those who prefer a traditional design with a reliable washing capacity, while the SRVVTO excels in portability and ease of storage. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.